I'm so embarrassed. Like right now, like I'm so embarrassed.
What you embarrassed for?
Cause they could see all my lint in my hair.
So are you gonna do better and keep your hair tied up?
Maybe.
Maybe. What? Do y'all hear this? Everybody gonna see all this lint. I want you to see this video. This is a result. London has so much lint in her hair, y'all, because she will not keep her headscarf on. We're gonna go on ahead and get this shampoo going. Because it's stretching out now. Hold your mouth down. Not so much the coils. Feel good?
Nice and clean.
And we're just massaging the scalp without disturbing the lock. We don't want to disturb the lock because her hair is really fine around the outer perimeter. Her crown area is tightly coiled, just like mine. You can kind of see here. Look at that budding. These are starting to lock, I'm sorry. This one, not so much. But then we got this one over here. It is. Like they're all forming really well. Like almost like her hair was made for locks. And then with us being in quarantine, we've been able to kind of just leave it alone and not focus on retwisting. So she has only had one retwist and she's at 12 weeks today. This makes her second retwist. How your scalp feeling? Turn your head to look over there. As far as you can turn it without hurting yourself. Good job. We are about to retwist. Okay guys, so if this is your first time watching me retwist, I just wanted to let you guys know, basically I start off by palm rolling the new growth area, and then I go down the strand of the lock and wrap the frizz around. Just wanted to let you know that in case this is your first time checking me out, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh yeah, there are my locks right there. And let's get back to the video. This is your first time checking London's lock journey out. Her outer perimeter is much finer than the middle crown and the back of her hair. So I just want you guys to know that these twists, they are not formed just yet. Well, I should say these starter locks are not formed just yet. So they are really still just curls, ringlets. So that's the reason for the twirling at the ends on some of these. Her locks will be curly at the tips on some of them, just like mine. And I do believe that's because of the finer textures that we have along our outer perimeters.
Oh, you just wanted a mirror break.
British Bangla Vlogs. Hi there, how are you? I already read that one, baby. Already read.
You're looking a lot like your mommy. Your hair looks good at the hang time. Hey.
Oh, that's mommy's class? Hey, Mo. Hey, girl. Look, it threw me off because you changed your picture from the last time when I saw it. But girl, yeah, she had a lot of shrinkage going. But she got a shampoo today. We decided to come on live while we're finishing. We're making a regular video too. Remember the look right there too? See? Okay.
Really sunny and it feels really good outside. And I'm just gonna be chilling.
What happened? You answered her comment?
No, this can't be the last one.
It is.
And my bike is at my dad's house, and my other bike, I gave that to River.
Right. That was a tricycle. I don't expect you to ride a
I
tricycle.
can't ride it no more.
You way too long for a tricycle, sis.
Yeah. I'm so ready to shake.
Sis. Turn around, look at me. Anything you want to say to the camera?
Bye.
I'm talking about this camera.
That was my 12-week lock journey. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any questions for my 12-week lock journey.